Now, second part of by parts. Here, I have written one law, cancellation law. In this cancellation law, you just see here, whenever you have integration of this particular variety, e to the power x fx plus f dash x dx, you will always write e to the power x fx plus c. Now, how it is? You can use this formula directly when a question is of 1 marks. When it is not of 1 marks, we will use by parts. How we are using? Just pay attention here. I am multiplying this e to the power x fx dx plus e to the power x into f dash x dx. You will first identify what is fx, what is f dash x. Now what do? You don't do anything in the second part, derivative part. Apply by parts in the first part. Exponential is always second, this is first. First function, integration of second dx minus integration d by dx of first function, integration of second function whole dx plus e to the power x into f dash x dx. So e to the power x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा बेटा? e to the power x माइनस fx का डिफरेंशिएशन f dash x, e to the power x का इंटीग्रेशन e to the power x dx plus e to the power x into f dash x dx. Now you can see here the second part and the third term is getting cancelled. That is why we are saying it cancellation law. So what we are left with? E to the power x into fx plus c. The first question we are having e to the power x into sin x plus cos x. I have already told कि e to the power x के साथ कुछ multiply होता है, तो think about this formula fx plus f dash x. अब यहाँ पे देखो आप, क्या कोई फंक्शन fx और उसका डेरिवेटिव दिख रहा है? You can say yes sir, fx I can say this sin x. तो sin x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है? Cos x. So you can say fx is sin x and f dash x is cos x. Now directly apply the formula. Answer will be e to the power x into fx plus c. Fx is what? Sin x. Now the thing is, sir, can we use this formula? I told that if it is of 1 marks, to definitely use this formula. But अगर 4 नंबर में आ गया, 4 marks में आ गया, so what you will do? Just apply the procedure. E to the power x into sin x, as I have already discussed, plus e to the power x into cos x. I have told apply by parts formula in the fx is written. So this was sin x was fx. Freeze कर ले इसे. This is first and this is second. First function, integration of second e to the power x का e to the power x minus integration d by dx of first, integration of second dx plus this is same it is e to the power x into cos x dx. This will be cancelled. So we have e to the power x into sin x plus c. Now second question we have e to the power x into 1 plus sin x cos x upon cos square x. If I simplify this, can I write e to the power x 1 by cos square x plus sin x into cos x upon cos square x dx. एक cos cancel होगा, so e to the power x 1 upon cos square x is sec square x and sin upon cos is tan x. Again e to the power x के साथ दो फंक्शंस आ गए हैं. क्या मैं देख सकता हूँ एक फंक्शन है और उसका डेरिवेटिव है, तो दिखेगा यस सर tan x का डिफरेंशिएशन इज व्हाट? sec square x. So you can write it as fx and this is f dash x. So by applying this formula, you can say the answer is e to the power x into tan x plus c. Is it clear? Now next question, e to the power x into x minus 3 upon x minus 1 का whole cube. Now things come sir, यहाँ तो दो functions नहीं है. Let's simplify. What I will do is x minus 3 को डिनोमिनेटर जैसा बनाते हैं. डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है? x minus 1. So I am writing x minus 1 minus 2. What will be the benefit by doing this? You can say sir, this will simplify. Separate हो जाएगा. If I separate this, this is 1 upon x minus 1 का square minus 2 upon x minus 1 का cube. You can also see this कि sir, अगर मैं fx मानता हूं x minus 1 की पावर minus 2, this is minus 2 ना, क्या होगा इसका डिफरेंशिएशन? minus 2 into x minus 1 की पावर 3 minus 3, so minus 2 upon x minus 1 की पावर 3, ये तो सेम इट इज लिखा है. So this will be function and this is its derivative. So what I can do, I can write directly apply the formula e की power x into 1 upon x minus 1 का whole square plus c. Is it clear? Now next question, e की power x sin 4x minus 4 upon this. जनरली क्वेश्चन देख के ही घबरा जाते हैं हम. हमें ध्यान रखना है e की पावर x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई में है तो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट क्या इस फॉर्म में बन सकता है क्या. सो आई विल फर्स्ट सिंप्लीफाई. देखो यहाँ e की पावर x sin 2a का फॉर्मूला 2 sin 2x cos 2x upon what is 1 minus cos 2a? 1 minus cos 2a, remember 2 sin square a. So this will be 2 sin square 2x. Now I will separate e की power x. If I separate it, 2 sin 2x into cos 2x upon 2 sin square 2x minus 4 upon 2 sin square 2x. Now 2 से 2 cancel, 1 sin 2x cancel. What is cos by sin? You can say cot 2x minus 2 cosec square 2x into dx. Here you can check, sir, this is the function and this is the derivative. Function and the derivative. Either apply formula or by parts. I am applying the formula, so I will have e की power x into cot 2x plus c. अगर फॉर्मूला नहीं भी लगाएंगे तो ये ध्यान रखना, we can solve it into two steps. Two steps कैसे? We can write e की power x into cot 2x dx minus e की power x into 2 cosec square 2x into dx. This will be first, this will be second. By parts, first function integration of second e की power x का e की power x minus d by dx of first cot x का integration d by dx of first 2 cosec square 2x और माइनस में होता है तो माइनस माइनस प्लस e की power x का e की power x dx. This I will write same it is e की power x into 2 cosec square 2x into dx. So you can see these two terms will be cancelled out. So the answer is e की power x into cot 2x plus c. तो एक बार अगर स्ट्रक्चर समझ में आ जाता है तो टफ नहीं बचता है, क्वेश्चन बड़ा आसान हो जाता है. So the last question or last variety of integration by parts. You can see I have written two types, e की power x into sin bx or e की power x into cos bx. How to integrate these variety? This will understand. What we'll do, we'll let it I, right, and we'll apply by parts. This is first, this is second. First function integration of second e की power x का integration e की power x minus integration d by dx of first 2 cos 2x integration of second e की power x का e की power x plus c. So it is e की power x into sin 2x minus 2 common. This is again two functions are in multiplication, so we'll apply first second and using bracket. First function integration of second dx minus integration d by dx of first minus 2 sin 2x integration of second e की power x into dx bracket close. So e की power ax sin 2x 2 का मल्टीप्लाई भी कर दे तो माइनस 2 e की पावर x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो जाएगा बेटा e की पावर x ही हो जाएगा. सो आई एम राइटिंग e की पावर x ओनली, राइट. e की पावर x into cos 2x minus minus plus plus minus minus 2 to the 4, right. e की पावर x into sin 2x into dx. now you just pay attention here कि सर ये तो चलता ही जाएगा. तो मैंने बोला इस फर्स्ट को देखो, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 को क्या सेम इट इज लिखा है क्या? सो सेम इट इज लिखा है तो इसके प्लेस पे मैं क्या लिख सकता हूं i इक्वल टू e की पावर x कॉमन sin 2x minus 2 cos 2x minus 4i. this 4i I will take to the left hand side. 5i equal to e की पावर x sin 2x minus 2 cos 2x plus c. So 5 I will take in the denominator, e की power x by 5 sin 2x minus 2 cos 2x plus c. So I have covered all the varieties of questions. Please solve this question and please subscribe my channel if you like my video.